Definitely 5 stars all day. Give them 10 stars.
Probably the main thing is Phone Pro. So we're able to integrate all of our communications, our feedback, our text messaging, our ability to contact customers in the moment has tenfolded our intake business and our communication.
Actually, I have 3, which are some of the main users that you guys have, which is manage leads. Creating leads is collecting customers' information through a phone call or through a website. Having possible customers, a compiled list where you let your sales team or any team member go and call that customer back, or seeing like how many customers you're losing out on. Managing ticket, which is triage. Keeping record of how that repair was done and what was the issue. Third thing, which I find it important for retail stores, manage estimates, giving estimate to customers for phones that we sell. Not everybody will have fixed prices for phones. Some customer may want a 16 Pro Max 512 gigabyte. In order to give a good price, I think the estimate portion is very, very helpful on that.
There's so much on there, but the ability to find my customer, find who I called, find what they ordered, because I can't remember anything 15 minutes later, their number, their passcode, their whatever, and come back and talk to the customer like I know what I'm doing.
It simplifies a lot of things. It helps me keep track of my inventory because, that's the biggest complaint with most people, inventory solutions.
We buy parts from Mobile Enzo, and it is the best integration. So I buy the parts, I click check in my shipment, and it goes right into my inventory. It's the best thing I've ever used. I'm really proud to say I love RepairDesk. The integrations help a lot, and it's helped my business run for a long, long time.
I would definitely say RepairDesk, just because of the friendly customer support that you guys have. You guys are very customizable. Most importantly, having that ticketing system, point of sale system combined in one that works in our industry is the right way to start your business for sure.
With RepairDesk, we're simplifying everything and putting everything together in one pane of glass that we can use effectively to run, communicate, and grow our business.
Switch to RepairDesk. Switch yesterday. They're not paying me for this. Switch to RepairDesk. They're absolutely fantastic. I have called them 7,000 times. They pick up the phone every time. They call me back. They answer. They're prompt. They do everything I ask. Unbelievable.
I give RepairDesk 5 stars. If you want to try it, definitely check them out. They have great credit card processing. I get the cheapest rate amongst anyone, and it is worth it. I do volume. They take care of me because of that. Customer service is top notch.
I would definitely give them a 5 out of 5 just because, we've been to so many expos. We've talked to the people who own or design other POS systems. And we pretty much fell in love with RepairDesk just for the triage portion, which is a ticketing system.
Definitely 5 stars all day. Give them 10 stars.